Okay. Hello again, all of my YouTube people. So in today's video, I take a quick little ride just down south of me to a car show going on in Oliver, B.C. at the Nostalgia Winery. So you guys will get to see some cool cars in this video and some of me riding on the highway a little bit, passing cars and whatever else there is to see on the road. And also some of the scenery just south of me, some stuff you guys haven't seen yet. So I hope you guys enjoy it all, and if you are not into the riding parts of the video and you just want to see some cool cars, you can skip over to the middle of this video, and yeah, there'll be some sweet hot rods for you to check out a little bit of. And you guys can get a little bit of a taste of what it's like in the Okanagan Valley in the summertime. Like, Penticton is one of the top 10 tourist destinations of the world. So that's kind of what I want to show you guys, and just, you know, let you guys see what we're all about here in the Okanagan in the summer. Like, for example, we have another car show, the Peach City Beach Cruise, which is probably the biggest car show on the Okanagan Valley, coming up in Penticton here in about a week's time from now, where I'm hoping to do some good filming at, but I might end up working that entire weekend as well. So I'm just gonna have to kind of fit it in where I can after work. Hopefully I don't end up working too late. But yeah, like, Penticton is one of the top 10 tourist destinations of the world. So maybe I can just, you know, give you guys a little bit of an example of what makes us so desirable for tourism. You guys have already seen how beautiful of an area it is here. We've got a lake on either end of the city, and it is just, there's a lot of festivities and stuff like that that go on here during the summer, and I just want to kind of give you guys all a little taste of that. And maybe one of these days some of you will be able to make it up this way and check it out for yourselves. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I want to thank you for being on my channel, and I will catch you at the end of this video.
Hey, have a good ride. Bye.
Thanks. I didn't realize this was dirt. She pointed me this way. So. I didn't realize that was a dirt road.
Yes, no worries.
Out at Nostalgia Wines for a wine and shine. Check this thing out, man. This is freaking sweet. Like, man, this thing is awesome. I miss our tea bucket. And this is a picture of our tea bucket. I love this tea bucket. Freaking love it. This thing is so cool. I don't know, is that normal? I guess that's normal to have the alternator way up there. Or is it? Oh, no, he's got this. That fucking, look at how low that freaking engine is to the ground there. That's the oil pan, man. It's like an inch off, like 2 inches off the ground. Yeah, he's got this engine sitting way lower in this chassis. That's what's going on. I think. I'm not a freaking mechanic. Check it out. That's so cool. I freaking love that thing, generally. I think that's a General Lee car. Beautiful. Again, I love it. I love the Greyhound on the front. Hey, everybody's checking out my bike.
Love it. Welcome, Terry.
And I'm checking out cars.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Miss Webb and I'm from Calgary, Alberta.
Welcome, Miss Webb from Calgary, Alberta. Well, we know you. This is Kendra from the Dixie Fried. She's pretty darn cute. So, good luck.
1934.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Bethany Walker and I'm from Penticton.
Welcome, Bethany. What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Kim Long and I'm from Penticton.
Welcome, Kim.
Oh yeah. Look at that pinstriping.
What's your name and where
Love
are you
that.
from?
Pink.
Welcome, Sarah. Right from here. What's your name? Where are you from? Maria from
Painted brake drums.
Now we're gonna put on a little bit of music.
This freaking motor,
See
man.
what you've got. Are we ready? Shining wine. We had to miss the last 2 years, but in 2019, we were also raising money for the Ride to Conquer Cancer, now the Tour de Cure. And Russell, the rider, dressed up as a pinup girl, the wig,
Is that yours?
the dress. He
Nice.
was riding on a stationary cycle, showing those legs, and he won by, I think, crowd applause. Our 2019 winner, and enjoy that. Thank you to Primal Electric for this amazing
It's okay,
prize.
thanks.
And thank you to all of these beautiful women. Let's hear it again. They're awesome straight, they're awesome style, they're awesome dance moves. Thanks, girls.
Look at the pipes on this thing. Look at the side profile of it. Love this. Beautiful. Thank you. A lot of cars here. Well, enough cars. No wine for this girl when she's on the road. I don't take no risks, but I love the way this looks. She's completely blacked out. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful, man. Just beautiful. Look at these fish. These fins on the back. I love this thing. Just love it. Oh, I love the upholstery. Wine bottle holding up the hood. It's perfect. I want to get some seats like that for my truck, honestly. Bandage. This is freaking perfect, man. This is awesome. This is like story of every custom hot rod owner's life. Oh, it's perfect. It's like my bike. That's one thing that car accident I got in was good for. Took a spirits bottle down in there. And then some new car.
We're doing it together at the same time.
Another Nova. 2-door. Nice. It's the green one yours? The blue one. Nice.
Thank you.
It looks like a fun car.
It is a fun car to drive.
Yeah. Beautiful. I love the color scheme on this. Is it just me? Or is it because it's freaking Harley orange and black? Yeah. I don't know if you've mentioned things about me always riding alone, and yeah, I do. I ride alone a lot. I'm out here alone, but that's only because everyone I know who rides either quit riding, got married, or moved out of town. So, and there's not a whole lot of young people in this town. Not a lot of, not that I've met who are into what I'm into anyway. I don't go to the bar and get wasted every weekend.
Alright, yeah, I want to do this one, bro.
Look at this track, man. This is something my brother would be he would be like, Holy shit, this is totally my brother's. Yeah, we've seen this at the car show in Penticton. I remember him fucking having a heart attack over it. Tiki truck. The Tiki, 1957 Fargo.
Hi guys, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'm good. How are you guys? Your car? No, I wish. I wish.
What the heck? Look at those clouds. Wouldn't that be something? Get caught in the rain again. Alright, just got back from Oliver, that car show. And what the hell are the chances that I get caught in another rainstorm coming back from the second car show of the year that I've been to? Like, seriously? Well, actually, it wasn't a rainstorm. There was just a little bit of wet roads. I'm probably being dramatic. It was like just enough wet road to make my bike dirty again. Look it. Like, guys, seriously. That's what I said. Isn't that what I said in my last video? As soon as I turn it on, it's gonna get dirty. As soon as I freaking go for a ride again, it's dirty again. It looks like I never even washed it. So, I guess I'll be doing that all over again. May or may not make a video. I might make a video, actually. I'm gonna have to wash that freaking crash bike that I picked up. But at least it's not as bad as it was the first time. It was like literally like half a kilometer, whatever that is in miles. Not very much. But yeah, it was just enough to make my bike dirty again. And those freaking brakes that were making all that noise on our drive out, picking up that crappy bike, or the crashy bike, freaking totally, here's the new ones, but those brakes were done, man, on my brother's truck. Like, they were literally metal on metal, rotors, everything is getting replaced. Oh man, nothing left. Anyway, better get this thing inside before it starts raining here too. And I will talk to you all soon. Okay, so as you can see, I did get caught in a little bit of rain again coming back from this car show, and luckily it was not nearly as much rain as the last run I'd made to a car show out in Kelowna, but it was just enough to be annoying because now I have to wash my bike again. So that's really the only nuisance about the rain, in my opinion, is the washing of the bike, especially right after I just washed it. But whatever, you know, I can make it all nice and shiny again for this upcoming car show. And yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna complain too much. But I just want to thank you all for making it this far if you're still here, and remind you again that if you are watching this and you like what you see, or if you just like me, or even if you don't like me but you like my bike and you want to see some more of me working on my bike, me riding my bike, me fixing up this crashy bike that I just picked up, and me and my dad eventually getting this other shovel head up and going, then please subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified every time I put up a new video, and leave me a comment. I like reading your guys' comments. I've got a lot of comments to read right now, but I do like reading them all. And if you feel so inclined, please share this video. It really helps me out, and I am trying to make a little bit of something out of this whole YouTube thing, and I like sharing with you all. So thanks again for coming here, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace.